So XLM, also known as Stellar, I'm covering it again because it received a lot of reaction. I didn't know that you guys love it that much. So it's sitting at 50 cents, 51 cents to be exact. And just to let you know, when I see that a video does really well, that shows that there is a lot of interest, I always try to be more active on that one. The ones that doesn't get much of a reaction, I just stay away from it. I consider it to be a dead end because there is not a lot of interest, which means that people are not invested in it. That's generally my assumption. With Stellar, it did drop towards 45 cents today, and now sitting at 51. With this, I had offered a neckline, if you remember it correctly, and I think, just a second, I offered the neckline at 58 cents, so where, just a second. Yeah, it was at 58 cents. We had a neckline at 58 cents. I wanted it to break it and go above it, and then we can start our crazy journey up. But it didn't break the 58 cents. So now we are talking about support areas. So as the upward neck didn't hold, now we need to talk about the downward neck. Damn it. Okay. So the downward neckline is at 41.7. So let's call it 42 cents. There is actually a double top structure on XLM. So there is this one top, then there is this second top, which is not completed because it stopped at 45 cents. And right now, of course, it's sitting at 51 cents. But that is your support for XLM. As I would be able to offer you something else before that. I'll do that. I'll get back to you on that. But from larger perspective, I'll first cover the larger story. As long as XLM doesn't break below 42 cents, you can still expect it to go towards 60 cents and continue with the upward journey. We will try to go with XLM towards $1. But the thing is, right now, XLM is not able to break above 58 cents. The neckline I had offered, and it has failed. And when we talk about failure, it dropped from 58 cents all the way down towards 45 cents. So that's a good amount of rejection, which shows that there is a big selling demand that is in XLM. And I'm not shocked because if someone is sitting on 500% profit or more, they are bound to take profit. That being said, that's the larger perspective. As long as 42 cents holds, you can expect the upward direction story. The moment you lose 42 cents, you are talking about a drop towards, if I have to give you an exact number, that would be, I would have given you 30 cents, but it can drop all the way down towards 26.8. But the psychological number makes way more sense at 30 cents, so I will offer you a 30 cents. Now let's talk about short-term story. From short-term's perspective, as long as it holds 50 cents, it can continue to go up. For those who are day trading or looking at it from short-term perspective and don't want to be married to this thing anymore, I can offer you better areas than just that one. It's one hell of a ugly structure. Yeah. Anyway, on 50 cents, there is this double top that it has created. It's the neckline. It really needs to hold 50 cents. If it breaks this 50 cents, it's going to drop down and it's going to go as down as this one. It has already delivered on this, okay, because it has delivered this much down from the neckline. That thing is done. It doesn't mean that it needs to do it again, but I'm just telling you that on the basis of double top, and it's not just this double top, it's also this double top. It has too many double tops on this 50 cents range. So the moment it loses 50 cents is going to go down again, and I don't think that this time it will stop at 45. I think this time it will go towards the 42. But if as long as it holds 50 cents, you can expect it to go up. The first line of resistance for this is at 56 cents. Instead of 58, I'm offering 56 cents. If it is not able to break 56 cents, you would expect it to go back down, and that's the short-term story. So your range is between 50 and 56 cents, and it needs to break either of them to start the overall journey. If it breaks 50 cents, you're going towards 42. If it breaks 56, then we can talk about going towards 60, 70, and all the way towards $1. And that's pretty much it with XLM, and I'll see you next time when XLM makes a good decision move, and I'll come back and update you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.